In this video, I'm going to teach you how to charge iPhone without a charger. While it is possible for you to do this, it is going to depend on the circumstances and on which items you have available around you. The easiest way by far is to use a wireless charging pad. Of course, I assume most of you won't have this lying around. However, maybe it is an accessory that you bought once and it is available. If it is available either to you or another person that you know, it is going to be an option. You plug it into a wall outlet, and once the wireless pad is receiving power, you place your iPhone on top. This allows you to charge it with only the wireless charging pad as long as it is plugged into a valid power source. Besides this, you can potentially use a USB-C cable to charge your iPhone. So you plug one end of the USB-C cable into something like a MacBook, a PC, some sort of valid power source. And as long as it has power pass-through enabled, it is going to provide power and begin charging the iPhone. This is going to require a Lightning or USB-C cable plugged into a computer, laptop, potentially even a car, a portable power bank, or other USB ports. If you are really desperate, you can look for public charging stations, although this isn't recommended because those ports could be damaged and other problems related to data theft. In general, charging without a charger is possible, but the bare minimum that you will need is going to be a cable that you can plug into your iPhone and then another valid power source. If you don't have a cable available and you don't have a wireless pad, it basically becomes impossible. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.